Madison first grade, and welcome back to day 2 of Spotlight on Willems week. Super exciting. As you know from yesterday, we are focusing on story elements. That means all of the things that make up a story. We've talked about characters, we've talked about setting, we've talked about problem, and we've talked about the solution. Today, we're going to talk a little more about the problem because sometimes it can be a little tricky to figure out what the really big problem is in the story. So we're going to get right to it. So as you can see, I can tell about the elements of a story. That means like the parts of a story. And here's where it kind of gets cool. The title and the cover can give me clues about the problem. I like to call this like title power or cover power because sometimes it's tricky to figure out the problem. So any clues that we can use, any way that we can be a detective, even before we start reading, will help us with that process. So I thought we could look at 2 different books today. Now the first one, of course, here, let me flip this around because I want to show you guys what I'm meaning. All right, now, there go the other books again. That's fine. I want to make sure you guys can see. Okay, so here is the title. A big guy took my ball. What do you think the problem is going to be in this story? I know this one's really tricky. We can just basically take this and move it into our thought bubble because the problem in the story is that a big guy takes his ball. And then there's even another like little problem in there that you guys will see if you read this book. We're also going to focus on this book later this week. So yeah. Okay, but today I wanted to talk about this one. Happy Pig Day. I'm going to bring this a little closer so you can see the cover a little better. So it says Happy Pig Day. So far I don't see a problem at all. Like that just sounds like fun. So let's look a little closer. So look how happy Pig is, and he's got his pig friends around him. Let's look at Gerald. Uh-oh. Gerald doesn't look happy. That's definitely not he doesn't look very happy about Pig Day. I wonder why. You know what? I have a feeling that the problem has something to do with Pig Day, Happy Pig Day, and Gerald feeling sad. So in my brain, I'm thinking about the title, I'm looking at clues from the cover, and that's my prediction, is that the problem has something to do with Happy Pig Day and Gerald being sad. We're gonna find out. Actually, some of you may have already watched the story. If you haven't, go ahead and watch it now and tell me about it. But you guys are going to get a chance to add the idea of the title and the cover, giving you ideas about the problem. You're going to add that to your cereal box. So the front of your cereal box, you're going to put the title and the cover. So for example, if your cereal box is all about a big guy took my ball, you're going to write the cover or the title. You'll draw the picture because, you know, Willems, you have all those cool ideas of how to draw it. And then directly underneath, make sure there's a little bit of space between these though, because directly underneath the title, I want you to write what were some clues that helped you know what the problem was. I have confidence in you guys. Also, if you're not doing the project, you can just tell me about it with your book. All right, go ahead, Madison Comets. You guys are amazing. Madison Comets soar.